Today I'm going to show you how to work in audio validation project. Okay, so the work is very simple. You just need to listen to a set of audio, and that will be around 5 to 15 seconds of audio. Okay, so there will be total of 60 tasks per ID. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to work in the task. Okay, before that you need to fill this form. This is mandatory. Okay, I'm just filling the form now. Just fill your name, phone number, and email ID. Then you can select your language. Okay. Now I'm selecting Tamil and clicking submit. Okay. So once it is submitted, you will get an email like this. Okay. Here, this one is mandatory. If you don't join using this link, the payment will not be sent to you. Okay. So make sure you need to click this first link. Okay. Now here you can see there is a viewer invite. Okay, click on it and click join clan. Okay, now you can sign in with Google or phone number. Okay, I'm choosing Google and I'm selecting the same email which I have filled in the form. Okay, okay. So now click join clan and I have joined. Okay. Now what you need to do, you just need to go to email and click the second link and click this close and click start K-Quest, and here it will ask for access code. So what you need to do, you just need to go to the email and there is a access code. Okay, for each language the code and the campaign link will be changed. So make sure you are clicking on the link which you have received in your email. Okay, now click confirm. Okay, so now you need to click this close button and you need to scan this QR code using your phone. Okay, so once you have scanned, it will change to in progress. Okay, and then you need to click on this drop down menu and you need to submit your email ID. You need to fill the email ID same which you have filled in the form. Okay, then next one, rate the audio sample. Okay, now click submit and click this arrow. Okay, don't click this one or this one. You can just directly click this button. Okay, now you can see there are 60 audio file in for each ID. Okay, so you need to listen to this audio first. Okay,
சரி இரு கதை கேட்கலாமா? ஒரு ஊரில் ஒரு குட்டி முயல் இருந்துச்சு. அதுக்கு ரொம்ப பசி. சரி என்ன பண்ணலாம், நமக்கு பிடிச்ச கேரட் எல்லாம் தேடலாம்.
so for this I'm giving high rating. Okay, because I totally agree with the audio quality and also the expression, punctuation and all. Okay, and also the next one, for this also I can give full and then click submit. So once you have completed all the 60 tasks, you will get a page like this. Okay, there will be a message like thank you for your participation and with the submission record. Okay, and once you got this, you need to take a screenshot first and then you need to click this upload a file or drag it here. Okay, you need to select this and paste put that screenshot here and submit. Okay, so this is how you need to complete one set of tasks in a ID. So once you have completed and if you want to do more, what you need to do, you just need to fill the form again. Click on it. And now if you want to use any temporary email, go to yopmail.com. Okay, here you can choose a new email id. It's a temporary email id. You will receive email. Okay, so you can create a new email id, and you can fill the name, phone number. These can be same. Okay, email you need to change. Okay, uh, so once you have filled the form, you can select language, then submit. Then you will receive email here in Yopmail, and in that one again you need to click on join clan again, and the same process. Okay, this is how you need to complete multiple tasks. Okay, thank you.